Hello everyone, this is Shivani Sinha and I am here with some topics of an array in data structure, of course. So in the previous part 1 we have studied about the array and its various operations and the operation of insertion to add any elements. Now in the second part B of an array we are going to study about the next operations. So deletion operation. This operation is used for deletion or removing an existing element from the array. There is suppose that there is an list of given some values there and we have to remove or delete some values from that list. So for performing that operation we have to use delete operation, that is deletion operation. So first we have to check the algorithm. So let A is a linear array with n elements and k is the positive integer such that k is less than equal to n. Okay. So in the given algorithm, to delete an element available at the kth position of A. So there is an algorithm written here, start j equal to k, repeat the steps of 4 and 5, and then we have to write the steps 6 and 7. For example, after this algorithm there is a program written here. You should see that. Listen, in insertion operation we have to add one extra value, right? And in this deletion operation we have to delete or remove an element with from a existing list. So we perform this program. You can, if you want, then you can write it on the code runner or any text editor and you can run this. You can see the output. Okay. So after this output we have is original array element. We have this 5 size, there is a 5 size of arrays and we have the values there. And after deletion, see, the element 5 is deleted or removed. Okay, but the array name, of course array name is not removed from this. Array values are there, but array index numbers are there, but the values are changed now, values are deleted. So in search operation, algorithm is there for searching an element, like start set j equal to 0, then repeat step 4 and step 5, and after that performance we have to print the j or item and stop the program. For example, there is a program written here, you can go through it. Okay, there is a taking arrays and then assigning the initialized value, and after that we have to perform the loop operation there, and then we use these programs for searching elements. So the output is there, original array, and we have the size 5 of arrays there, and search element 5 at position 3. Okay, so at position 3, that is array index value 2 equal to the value is 5. If you want to search 5, then the position is 3, third. Okay, so this is the search operation of an array. So in this part we have studied about the search operation and the deletion operation. So if you have any doubt, any problem regarding this, so you can ask me in comment section also. Thank you for watching this, and after this I'm going to introduce you with a new topics in a next video, that is stack and queue. So keep watching. Thank you so much.